Hi children, my name is Abby Zain and I'm here to help you to draw pictures through shapes and lines, okay? Today I'm going to show you a picture which I've taken from one of the magazine, and it's a picture of a bird. So you see two birds here, so I'm going to draw one of the birds, this one, and I would like to teach you how you can use the shape of the birds to understand how you can actually draw. Okay, let us start now. So first of all, I'm going to use a paper, an A4 paper, and I'm going to start with the head. So I'm going to use like middle of the page. So I'm going to start with a small oval for the bird's head, quite long beak, oval shaped eye, and for the body, let me show you again. For the body, I'm going to draw a bigger oval, okay, and add with the tail. I'm going to then add on to the lower part of the bird's body, which is this part here. So let's do that now. And there you go, shape of a bird. So now I'm going to add some details. As I am looking at the picture of the bird, I'm slowly drawing some details. You can still use the same pen, marker pen or pencil. I'm drawing the feathers, the detail of the feathers. I'm going to add some lines here, probably the lower part of the beak here. I'm going to use some dots here, and basically a bit of the tail and some lines here. And lastly, the feet. Just slightly bigger, slightly bigger here. And there you are, a bird. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I would like you to try to take any pictures of any things that you like, any object or animal, and try to look for the shape, the small shape. Start with the head and the body, and eventually the other parts of the animal's organs or body. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and do click this channel, subscribe this channel, and see you again. Bye.